Across FORVIA's global network, digital transformation is powering the next generation of manufacturing. Our Yancheng plant is one of the clearest proof points, recognized by the World Economic Forum as a Lighthouse Factory for outstanding performance and productivity. The Yancheng seeding plant, located in China, operates as a fully connected ecosystem. Machines, robots, and sensors continuously exchanging data in real time. Yancheng has deployed over 40 advanced digital use cases, leveraging machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI to enhance performance across planning, quality inspection, predictive maintenance, and production control. The results are measurable and fast. The plant achieved a 7.5-month return on investment on its AI solutions, significantly accelerating value creation. A multimodal AI quality control system has reduced cost, increased quality, and eased market cost pressure. A big data model now replaces and optimizes destructive testing, improving efficiency and consistency. Predictive maintenance algorithms have contributed to doubling operational efficiency and reducing unplanned stoppages. And generative AI has boosted die change optimization by 46%, directly increasing equipment availability and throughput. Yancheng is not an isolated success. It's a scalable blueprint for FORVIA manufacturing transformation worldwide.